Hello friends, welcome to Abhyanvi Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see the Module 3 quiz in Python Institute Python certification. So it is dealing with conditional loops and lists and all. Okay, so let us start and see. The operator able to check whether two values are not equal is coded as not equal to is this one, right? Okay. Next one, how many stars will the following snippet send to the console? So I greater than equal to 0. Okay. Print star equal to I minus 2, right? So here initial value is I 2. So 2 greater than or equal to print star then 0. Then it will come out, right? 0 not greater than or equal to. So equal, right? Then 0 equal to 0 again it will print. Okay, so 2 is the answer. How many hashes will the following snippet send to the console? Okay, so here I in the range from -1 0, right? So -1 comma 0, so 2 will be the answer, right? So it is starting from -1, then we have to add 1, so it will become 0, and we have to take the end as a final one -1, right? So -1 comma 0, so 2 hashes it will print. What will be the assigned to the x variable? What value will be assigned to the x variable? So z equal to 10, y equal to 0. So z greater than y or z equal to y. So first one is just z greater than y is true, right? Or z equal to y is false. Okay. So true or false, right? Then it will be true, right? So one is true means it will be true. So our condition, right? In our condition, any one of the entries is true, then output is true. Okay, so it is true. What is the output of the following code? My list -1, my list -2. So list -1 means the last one, right? So he's replacing last one with the second last one. Okay, so last one is -1. -1 is replaced with 1, right? So 3, 1, 1. This one. The last one -1 is replaced with -2 means 1. Okay. So 3, 1, 1 is the answer. The second assignment. The second one is does extend the list, shortest the list, doesn't change the list length. So here is doing the swapping. Okay, he's swapping uh, the elements here, right? So what happens is does not extend the list. It does not shortens the list, does not change the list length. List length is not changed. Here the only values are swapped. Okay. So third, take a look at the snippet and choose one of the following statements which is true. Okay, num is empty list values nums values dot append 1. Okay, nums and values are the same length. Nums longer than values longer than nums. So nums and values are same length because here we are assigning the names only. So values is assigned the name of the nums list. So in the memory, it will be stored only one list. Okay. So that won't change. So when values is appended by one means its nums also appended by one, right? That's why nums and values are of the same length. So nums and values are pointing to the same memory location here. When nums is assigned to values, values and nums are uh, pointed to the same memory location, which is an empty list. Then values appended by one means nums also appended by one. So both are same length. Take a look at the snippet and choose one of the following statements which is true. Here contents are replaced to the values. Okay. Then values is appended with 1. That means value is longer than nums. Okay. Because here contents are, earlier example we have seen the different thing. Here different. Here contents are moved. That's why the values will be affected, and nums and values both are different. So values is longer than num. How many elements does the list contain? So here 0 for I in the range 1 comma 3. That means 0 for I in the range. Okay. So here the range is 1 comma 2, right? So two values. So 0 0. Two values will be there. So 0 means it will take the elements as 0 0. Okay, like this. 0 comma 0. Two elements like this. Okay. The answer is the first one. What is the output of the following snippet? So here is a list x equal to 1. For element in my list, x equal to x star into element. Okay, x star equal to element means x equal to x star into element. So x is multiplied with element. Okay, so here, okay, so my list is 4 elements, x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 into element, right? So finally, uh, x will, what happens, the final value it will take, right? So 3 into x equal to x into element, right? Okay, x equal to 1. So first one is 1 into 0 0. So x will be 0. Okay, second one 1. Second one is 1. Then x equal to x into element. X is 0, right? So x is 0. So value will be 0. Finally, if you go by all elements, the value will be 0 because the first iteration itself will become x equal to 0. So again we are multiplying x with other elements means it's 0. Okay. So let's submit and see the answers. Yeah, I got all 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing certification videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.